नाउ हम एक साथ नहीं गाएंगे, सब लोग पेरेंट्स के मदद से इसी श्लोक को देख के ये श्लोक एक बार चैंट करेंगे। सब लोग। शुक्लम भरधरम विष्णुम शशिवर्णम चतुर्भुजम प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। The meaning of this shalok is there. So now we all can see each other, correct? Hello all, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now I would talk about this first with everyone here. First of all, I welcome you all on behalf of Kashmiri Hindu Sabha for joining this important session. You joining itself indicates that how serious you are about passing our this ancestral old language and culture to our next generation. The reason is very simple. As parents like me and grandparents like my father, who are currently able to speak this language. Why I am talking English or Hindi? Because some kids will not understand Kashmiri. That's why I am specifically talking in this another language. So the responsibility goes directly as parents or as grandparents to us to pass it to our next generation. So feel yourself responsible and be serious about this is responsibility of ours. We all are living an exile life from last 30 years. The circumstances in this period or the environment is completely 200% against us. What I mean to say 200% against us, the reason is very simple. Our kid in this whole society is mingling. He's only one Kashmiri kid and he is mingling with other language kids. So he doesn't have environment where he can speak. There is no educational system which can enable him to talk about this language. And there is no governmental support so that this language can be facilitated. Hence, if no effort is put by the Sabhas or the organization, Kashmiri organization in this direction, nationally or internationally, the language is going to die. And for Kashmiri Pandits, I am talking specifically, Kashmiri Pandit community. And once a language dies, culture itself starts dying. And once we lose both language and culture, we itself lose our own identity, जिसको हम proudly Kashmiri Pandit belong करते हैं. तो if both of them are lose to us, we will lose it. Hence the reason Kashmiri Hindu Sabha came up with this idea of Mazdar Lakchar. This Mazdar Lakchar we will introduce in detail. So, which will feel that it will be a platform to give the language to our kids and pass also our culture. And it will be a platform because we don't have this platform for our kids in other areas or wherever they are living. Hence, this platform will be where they will interact with their own Kashmiri kids. I personally believe the learning of Kashmiri language giving to kids, it is not, believe me, it is not. Whoever is presenting, please stop. Thank you. I personally feel this language cannot be taught like a subject like mathematics or science. It only can be passed as it can be only spoken and practiced. That way only we can learn a language. So I assume this effort, which is this Masdar Lakchar program, will give at least 30% contribution for learning this language and culture, and 70% contribution or more than that will be responsibility of the family where these kids are living. It is they who has to encourage and make some sessions daily, whether eating time, whether prayer time, or any time whatever they get with their kids. While communicating, they communicate in that language. So that is what is all about this Masdar Lakchar. So now this was something, some intro about Masdar Lakchar. Now today we are having many people. I will request everyone to just say your name and where from he is. Only kids, no parents. Panu, now I will give an explanation and how you have to introduce. Myun now ch Bharat Bhushandar, Buchus Hyderabad pet. So let's go one by one. I will pick the names. Ajay Bans ka jo bhi put hai, he will start. His son or whose kids will start introducing. Only this. Myun now ch Buchus pet. Go ahead with Ajay Ban. Unmute your mic and start. If not, Akshat Kampasi. Start.
Namaskar Mara, myon naam chu Akshat Kampasi, the bitches Rosan Dwarkaman.
Welcome Akshat. Then Ayati Kol. Go ahead.
My name is Ayati Kol.
Very good. And कहाँ से हैं बेटा आप?
Which is Bambipat.
Very good. Welcome. Ajay Banji again. Go ahead.
हाँ एक मिनट अक्षर महाराज.
Okay, no problem. Deepu ji Rena. Go ahead.
वो नाम ले रही यार दीपू का.
Yeah, Ajay Banji, go ahead, and then Deepu Rena. Unmute your mic when you have to speak.
Namaskar, madam. It's Asabri.
Very good, very good. Deepu ji Rena, अपने बच्चे को
बोलो.
नमस्कार बच्चे नाम वर्णिका रैना, बच्चे गुड़गांव रोगान.
Welcome Varnika ji. Thank you. Go ahead. Disha Pandita. Please introduce yourself.
नमस्कार मारा म्योन नाम छी दिशा पंडिता, which is Jemespet.
Very good. Welcome. Diya Dhar.
Namaskar. I am sorry. I didn't quite catch that because of the network. आप repeat करेंगे तो मैं बोल दूंगी.
आपने नाम और कहाँ से हैं, बस that's all. अपने बच्चे का बताना है.
नहीं, मैं खुद बच्ची हूँ. If 21 is considered बच्ची.
Okay, no problem. Only kids. Indu Rena. I am reading the names because who has joined this meeting. So Indu Rena, introduce yourself.
नमस्कार महाराज, मैं नाम युविका रैना, बच्चे दिल्ली पेट.
Very good. Welcome. Koshir Zan Pazan.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम लावण्या रैना, बच्चे हम कदल पेट मगर वेंकटेश पुनस मंस.
Very good, very good, very good. कुलदीप जी बान.
नमस्कार महाराज सरनी, मेरा नाम सिद्धांत भान, बुच्चे हैदराबाद मंसरोजान.
Kuldeep Rena. Thank you, Siddhant. Very good, Siddhant. Rakhi Pandita, go ahead.
नमस्कार महाराज, बुच्छुस आरव पंडिता, बुच्छुस Rozan Pune Pat.
Very good, Arav. Very good. Romit, go ahead.
Romit.
Yes, Romit.
Next.
Rushil. Saksham.
नमस्कार मारा मेरे नाम सक्षम पंडिता बुचस रोजान जमसपट.
Very good.
It's good.
Sanjiti Razdan.
Okay, आगे.
Santoshi Gruttu. Santosh Gruttu. Satyam Rana.
Where are these guys?
Okay, anybody who Sushil Pandita.
Namaskar, मैं नाव Ahana Pandita, Buchas Rozan, Bangalore Response.
Very good, Ahana. Welcome. Vinod Rana.
Mara, मैं नाव Charvi Rena, Ashchi Rozan, Pune Mans.
वेलकम धन्यवाद. हम बाद में भी एंड में देखेंगे if anybody has left for introduction. You all are welcome. As I told you already, I gave a brief introduction. Who has joined little late. Namaskar. And thanks. We have MK Rana ji Bombay who is working on Kashmiri language today in our program. Rana sir, आपको भी हमारी तरफ से वेलकम, धन्यवाद फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अवर दिस प्रोग्राम. सो जो कि हमारे हेल्प करेंगे आगे, इसको मार्गदर्शन करेंगे इस प्रोग्राम को रन करने में. तो जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, अल्टीमेट एम ऑफ आवर दिस प्रोग्राम इज कि वी ऑल शुड बी एबल टू स्पीक इन कश्मीरी लैंग्वेज, बट वी आर ऑल्सो हैविंग क्लियर आइडिया हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अचीव इट. Every 3 or 4 sessions there is a goal. Like example, in next 3 sections there will be a level. Whoever kid completes that level, that means he is able to introduce himself in a Kashmiri language. So that is sort of a short goal. So every 3 sessions will have a goal, or every 4 sessions depending on the context. So like as I explained, introducing himself is one of the goals. So these goals step by step will take us to the ultimate goal of speaking in Kashmiri language. So now I will go ahead to introduce you our program, what it is about, and that is the Kashmiri learning section.
Bharatji, some people wanted to introduce.
Others, please put yourself mute. I am going to make this as a presentation.
भरत जी, कुछ लोग इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहते हैं अपने आप को. गिव देम एन अपॉर्चुनिटी.
पंडिता सर वापस बोलिए आप.
कुछ लोग इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहते हैं. गिव देम अपॉर्चुनिटी.
Yes, Pandita sir, we will allow them. It would be at the end right now. So Bharat ji wants to continue with the program on timely basis, what the structure he has made. So that chance would be given at the end, because the number.
Those who have remained, who has not introduced themselves, we will give them again an opportunity at the end. Pandita sir, is that fine?
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Thank you. So those who join little late, I will tell them that this is the brief what our program is there. We already completed Ganesh Mantra. We gave some intro about Kashmiri program, and then there is a Kashmiri language session. So that session now we are going, the third one. And then we will go with a quiz, and there will be a Kashmiri song.
Bharat ji.
Yes, Ashok ji.
हाँ भरत जी, आपको हम गस करें ये है कि कौशर पढ़ते वनित ना is good कैसे बच्चे हेकन कौशर समझित, अंग्रेजी is okay, मगर तथ से अगर कहाँ युस मज कथ करा, अगर कहाँ कौशर पढ़ते, you should give them that opportunity to talk. So
exactly.
when you are talking as a moderator, So you can use both languages. So that will give an interest. That will generate interest in people. Okay, that's all I want to say.
Sure, definitely. I will give that. Let's go ahead with our another program. So, are you able to see my slide?
Yes, sir.
So our program. अगर आपको कोई भी बोलेगा कि where you went, which program you attended, so there are two words. The word is Masdar and the Lakchar. So what is Masdar? So if you see, what do you mean by Masdar? Normally, Maz go taste and Masdar go tasty. Or sometimes we also use this word call for enjoyment or fun. So hope you understood what do you mean by Masdar and how we will use this word Masdar. So Masdar is used frequently to tell someone that the taste of some food item was really great. So example, like आज आपने खाना आपके घर मम्मी ने बनाया and today's food was Masdar. So this way we use this word. Similarly, the Masdar is used to tell someone जब हम कुछ something was really fun and enjoyment, we all say it was Masdar. It was fullest to that level. So like this today's आज का program, wow, it was Masdar. So similarly, how we will use it in Kashmiri language. Like आप कहीं म्यूजिक शो में गए, you watched a music show, you will say music show was वारिया मजदार. Similarly, आप ये नीचे देख रहे हैं एप्पल्स, कश्मीरी में इसको चूंट बोलते हैं, चूंट ओस वारिया मजदार. Similarly, अगर हम ये मजदार कैसे और चीज, कोई अपना इस माइक को अनम्यूट करें, कोई बता सकता है व्हाट इज दिस?
Anmara, ये जो दमोलो.
Very nice, you are absolutely right. So these are damolos. ये हम इंग्लिश में बता रहे हैं और दमोलो is tasty. अगर यही हम कश्मीरी में बताएंगे, how should we use the word Masdar in Kashmiri? So these, तो कैसे बोलेंगे? यमच
मजदार,
यमच दमोलो, दमोलो च मजदार. Very nice. Who said it? Very nice.
Masdar.
Masdar go tasty. Correct.
Bharat ji, आपकी presentation को somebody else is presenting now. Somebody Raja Rakesh Panta. Raj Rakesh Panta.
Okay. So thank you Dukuldeep ji for telling me that. So
Daddy.
I will again. Are you able to see my slide?
No, sir.
Okay. Wait a second, beta.
Raj Rakesh Panta.
Wait a second.
Please stop the presentation.
Rajesh Panta is presenting. Can you wait? Yeah, stop him. We have Induji. Can you please stop him and I will start presenting? Yes, I am stopping. I am again sharing.
Daddy,
Are you able to see my slide?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Vanshu uçan slide? Niven slide cha bozne iman?
Anmara bozne.
Very good. So हमने ये देखा these are damalo is tasty. हमने ये भी देखा damalo समझ वानो यमच damalo मजदार. ये भी हमने देखा था already. Masdar go tasty. Now, can you see what do you think? How are these kids feeling?
Masdar.
Let's see. अगर अंग्रेजी में किसी को कश्मीरी नहीं आती है, I assume whoever is coming, he doesn't know anything about Kashmiri. That is why I am very slowly going with this. I am enjoying this very much. So this kid is ये बोल रहा है. अभी अगर ये कश्मीरी में बोलना है, ये देखो ये क्या बोल रहा है? Mute your mics. Please mute your mics.
Pandita ji, please stop presenting your screen. Pandita ji, please stop presenting your screen.
Are you able to see my screen?
Hello, namaskar. This is Vivek. This is Vivek Kaul and family. Namaskar to all.
Namaskar, namaskar, namaskar.
Kindly mute the.
Rakesh Pandita ji, please stop presenting your screen.
Somebody is Raj Rakesh Pandita. He is
presenting.
प्रेजेंटिंग वो मुंबई से है बोला हाँ सर ये
Okay, are you able to see my screen now?
नहीं, आप एक बार फिर से प्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश करिए भरत जी.
हाँ, now tell me.
Yeah, Amar आओ.
Okay, great. So, ठीक. Now 5 मिनटों में और all please put your mics on hold. And whenever you want to speak, just at that time open it and speak. Kashi pata ye agar kashris mas jawen ivana ch meche ivan varia maz. यहाँ पे हमने मज को इंट्रोड्यूस किया. मज को बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
भरत जी,
मिस्टर राकेश प्लीज आप प्रेजेंट मत करिए.
Can we know?
Rakesh Pandita ji, please request you.
Who is this Rakesh Pandita?
I guess he doesn't understand.
So भरत जी, आप अगर एडमिन है तो आप इसको ले सकते हैं और
एक्चुअली एक काम कर रहा हूँ. रुको मैं वापस उनको
आगे हमारा
आप प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो.
दिख रहा है मेरा आपको? आप हाँ मेचे इवान वारिया मज इवानांची लकुट बच्चे बारिश में और
ग्रीन में स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ, स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रहा. वेट अ सेकंड गिव मी अ सेकंड.
मारा बेई करो.
हाँ गिव मी अ सेकंड. अभी आ रहा है?
हाँ हमारा
वेरी गुड. सो ये बच क्या हो वनान. यही मजदार को अगर हम एक और शब्द है उसका छोटा मज इचवाना मेची युवान वारिया मज. सो मज गो एंजॉयमेंट. वेरी गुड. नाउ
एंजॉयमेंट
ये यम क्या छ
महाराज ये तो मैंगो.
मैंगोज आर टेस्टी. यम छ कश्मीरी में मैंगो को अम्ब बोलते हैं. तो यम छ अम्ब छ मजेदार. अम्ब छ
वारिया मजेदार.
कश्मीरियस मंच वनान कशरस मंच मैंगोज वनान अम्ब. वेरी गुड.
मजेदार.
अच्छा यम लूक क्या से करान ये देन बहुत अच्छी थी मूवी वाज अ ग्रेट. अगर उनको वो बाहर निकल के भी बोलते ना तो वो क्या बोलेंगे कश्मीरी में? मूवी अस वारिया मजेदार. मजेदार को फन एंजॉयबल. वेरी नाइस. नाउ हमारे प्रोग्राम का दूसरा नाम है लक्चार. क्या है?
लक्चार.
कैन एनीवन सेड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लक्चार?
बचपन.
वेरी गुड. वेरी नाइस. तो इसी को कश्मीरी को चाइल्डहुड जो होता है उसको लक्चार कहते हैं. एंड वो लक्चार कैसे कैसे हम चीजों में यूज करते थे ये हमने इंग्लिश में ये स्लाइड है. उसके बाद हिंदी वाली. हाउ लक्चार मीन्स चाइल्डहुड. आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय लॉट इन माय चाइल्डहुड. ये देखो मैं सच्ची में ये सब चीजें चाइल्डहुड में करता था. इसको जो हाथ देख रहे हैं इसको कहते हैं हम त्रुप कशर पोइट. और बीच वाला जो है वो सज है. सजस गिंदान है इस लक्चारस में. और तीसरी जो पिक्चर आपको दिख रही थी वो रेडा लेते थे हम स्कूटर का या गाड़ी का या साइकिल का और चला लेते थे. तो आपके पापा आपके दादा ने इन सब लोगों ने इस ऐसे प्रकार में लक्चार में किया होगा. एंड एग्जाम्पल इन कश्मीरी बोसुस पन्निस लक्चारस मज वारिया मज करान. तो ये सारा चीज ऐसे बोल सकते हैं आप. हमें लक्चार एटलीस्ट वर्ड ध्यान रखना. लक्चार कहाँ यूज होते हैं क्या हो कोई बोल सकता? बोसुस पन्निस लक्चारस मज वारिया Very good. And what do you mean by lakchar? Like here, see, ये जो पिक्चर है ये इंग्लिश ही है। जब अभी हमने एक एग्जांपल देखी है, तो ये जो हमारे दादाजी नाना जी जैसे हैं, ये क्या बोलते हैं? जब वो ऐसे बच्चों को देखते खेलते हुए, वो क्या बोलते हैं? माई स्वीट मेमोरीज ऑफ माई चाइल्डहुड आर अवेकनिंग। तो यही अभी हम कश्मीरी में अगर देखेंगे वो ना, मैं पेवान लखचार याद, जब वो इन बच्चों को ऐसे देख रहे हैं। वेरी गुड। सो लखचार गो
बचपन,
चाइल्डहुड। सो लखचार शब्द सबको याद आ गया, मजेदार भी आ गया। सो नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर कश्मीरी लैंग्वेज सेक्शन। नाउ वी ऑल आर गोइंग टू हैव ए स्मॉल गेम that is called quiz, and after that choti game bhi khelenge. So quiz will begin as soon as the countdown starts. When you say ak, there you go. Which temple is this?
Shankaracharya.
No parent will help kids, so kids ही बोले। करेक्ट आंसर है शंकराचार्य मंदिर। ये कश्मीर में डल लेक के बाजू में ऊपर पहाड़ पे ये शंकराचार्य मंदिर है। Which place is this?
ये मेरे पास है।
Which place is this? Amarnath cave. Correct answer is Amarnath cave. Which place is this?
Dal Lake.
Correct. Amazing. Correct. Dal Lake. What is this? Correct answer is Kangar. Very good. So I am stopping now sharing. So
सर स्लाइड नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ नहीं, अभी स्लाइड नहीं है। अभी सब अपने कैमरास ऑन करो, माइक्स क्लोज करो। वेरी गुड। आर यू एबल टू सी? यस। अभी हम सारे एक छोटी सी गेम खेलेंगे। सारे बच्चे लोग तैयार?
हाँ।
वेरी गुड।
Yes.
गेम क्या है? मैं जो चीज बोलूंगा, वट एवर आई से, यू हैव टू टच दैट। ओके? मगर वो मैं कश्मीरी में बोलूंगा। ओके? नस। जल्दी से पकड़ना।
नस पकड़ना है वो।
वेरी गुड। तो ये मैंने एग्जाम्पल दी। अभी तो मैंने नस दिया, आपने बताया। देखता हूं मैं पहले कौन फास्ट करता है।
हो गया मैं कैमरा बंद।
ओके नाउ
अब हो गया। ओके अब कैसे मैं बैक जाऊं फिर से?
हाँ नाउ कान
पकड़ो, कान।
वेरी गुड। यू ऑल डिड गुड जॉब।
व्यू कैसे आएगा फिर से?
मर्ज ब्रट्यून मर्ज।
हेलो
मर्ज कर था। या यू डिड गुड जॉब। वेल डन।
एक मिनट भरत जी, एक मिनट। राजेश, राकेश जी, प्लीज पुट ऑन योरसेल्फ म्यूट। गाइस प्लीज पुट ऑन योरसेल्फ ऑन म्यूट।
राकेश पंडिता जी म्यूट कर लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं। चलो ठीक है। अभी दूसरा चीज मैं बताता हूँ। मोल करियो था। मोल क्या गो? मोल वेरी गुड। सो हमारा छोटा सा गेम का सेशन भी खत्म हो गया। नाउ पुट योर माइक्स ऑन म्यूट, कीप योर कैमरा ऑन। नाउ आई विल गिव यू,
बट इट इज नॉट ऑनिंग ओनली।
या मेरे साथ अंजू जी है। सो नाउ शी विल टेक योर स्टोरी सेक्शन, सॉन्ग सेक्शन।
नमस्कार सारनी।
नमस्कार।
सारे बच्चों को
नमस्कार महाराज।
नमस्कार गोगा। ओके, आप सब अपना म्यूट कीजिए माइक्स को। नमस्कार नमस्कार। अपनी माइक्स को म्यूट कीजिए और मैं एक सॉन्ग बोलूंगी, वो शायद आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा, बट वी विल डू दैट सॉन्ग। ओके, मैं पहले एक लाइन बोलूंगी, देन यू विल रिपीट इट। यू डोंट नीड टू अनम्यूट द माइक, आप म्यूट करके ही बोलिए। ओके ओके, सो द सॉन्ग गोज लाइक दिस। बिस्त बिस्त ब्रारो खत खोवन,
बिस्त बिस्त ब्रारो
खत खोवन, तोर क्या बोल से बगरे पलन,
कोतरन कोतर बीठी
मारे कन,
सबको पता है ये गाना? Everyone knows it?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
If anybody doesn't know it, we will repeat it again. I will repeat it. I will say once. You will repeat it again, and same way we will complete the song, and then together we will sing this song. Okay? There may be some who don't know. Okay?
Mics.
So mics आप बंद कर लीजिए और अपनी अपनी जगह पे गाइए. Okay?
Keep your mics mute.
Okay. Now I will start. Braro khat khovan.
Bista bista braro khat khovan.
At your place to sing. Yes. तोर क्यों बोलत बबरेपन,
तोर क्यों बोलत बबरेपन,
सुख मन चौकत कोतरन,
सुख मन चौकत कोतरन,
कोतर बीठी मारकन,
कोतर बीठी मारकन,
जून छय गिंदान तारकन,
जून छय गिंदान तारकन.
Everyone able to sing the song? Good.
Yes.
Good. Now we will send a video of it or audio of it, and you all have to listen it. And we all kids, like some already know it, but some of know little bit, some doesn't know at all. So you have to listen it and remember it. Next time we all should be able to sing this together, right?
Very good.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So दूसरी बात है, हम इसके बाद आपने ये जो सॉन्ग जो जैसे अंजू जी ने बताया है, ये आपकी एक्टिविटी है. आपको ये सॉन्ग खुद गाना है, याद करना है और हमें भेजना है. मैं बताऊंगा उसका प्रोसेस लास्ट में. नाउ वी विल गो कम टू आवर स्टोरी सेक्शन. सो I will present one slide and Anju will start from there. I will give it to Anju.
Okay, kids, before reaching to the starting of story, we need to have a little bit of discussion. Okay, so I need to interact with you. When you have to say, you kindly unmute the mic and speak up. Okay, so we all can see what is this. Everyone can guess it's a tree, right? And in Kashmiri we call it kul. We call it
Kul.
kul. Oh, kul. No, slide will be taken off. Okay. अब ये जो कुल है, ये इतना बड़ा कुल है, right? It has so many branches, so many leaves, and it's such a huge tree. But what is the most important part in the tree is that the roots. Okay, wait. Let me finish my question first. Okay. Okay. So what is the important part of the tree? If we take out that tree, this huge tree looking so big will fall down like anything and will completely die, right?
Yes, die.
So now you can very easily answer it, right? Give me the answer. Yes. What?
आपने जो ट्री देखा फोटोग्राफ में, उस ट्री पे
ये कूता भड़कुल.
Mool. Yes. Mool is a root. Okay. Root of the tree is the most important part of the tree. The same way it happens with us also. We all belong to a community. Do you know which community we belong to?
Kashmiri community.
Yes, we belong to Kashmiri community, right? And where is the root of Kashmiri community? We belong to which place of the country?
Kashmir.
Kashmir. Very, you all know this. Very good. Okay. So we belong to the place called Kashmir, and we have a culture and history of the Kashmir. And if we can't continue with that, that are our roots. What are that? Roots. And all are the fruits of it, right? We are like branches of the tree. If we will not nurture our root, what will happen?
It will die.
It
We
will
will
die.
fall down and
It
die.
will vanish. And we never will like to do so. We will never wish to happen. Then, right? Right? Okay. So now we came to know that we are from Kashmir and our roots are in Kashmir. Okay. Now,
story.
okay, that's, yeah, I will come to the story. All of you told your introduction, right? I just want to add this here because while introducing, I was seeing somebody said I'm from Pune, somebody said I'm from Hyderabad, somebody said from some other place. Okay, but none of us said we belong to Kashmir. But we all know that we belong to Kashmir. But which part of the Kashmir you belong to? Many of us know it. Many of us don't know it. Now this is the activity for you, activity or work, whatever you take. Next time when you come, you should know which part of the Kashmir your parents belong to. Okay. When you next time, that time you have to tell the place from the Kashmir. Okay. Done with this? Now we will come to our story part. And story is definitely from the same place called Kashmir. Right? Okay. So Kashmir is a place on the foothills of Himalaya, right? We have the big mountain called Himalaya, and Kashmir is on the foothill of it, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Very good, beta. I wish when I can speak in Kashmiri, this story when I can speak in Kashmiri, but that day will come. Okay. तो हिमालय में कौन रहता है? हम किस भगवान की सबसे ज्यादा पूजा करते हैं? शिव भगवान. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. तो आज हम शंकर और पार्वती माता की, शंकर भगवान और पार्वती माता की एक स्टोरी सुनेंगे, राइट? Okay. One more question. That's the only question I will ask. Okay. After that, we will start with our story. Which month is going on right now as per our lunar calendar?
July. Shravan.
July is as per the English calendar. Okay. We will discuss about lunar and solar calendar later on. Yes. Shravan. Good. Well done. And do you know in Shravan month, this is the month when all over the country, all the Hindus celebrate this month and every Monday they keep the fasting. And this month who is celebrated? Shankar Bhagwan is celebrated. Okay, we worship Shankar Bhagwan, we worship Shiva. Okay, and Shiva is staying in the Kashmir. We are the Shaivites, right? And something special happened in Kashmir these days. Can you tell me?
Snow. No.
Snow? Not really?
Yatra.
Yes. Amarnath Yatra.
Amarnath Yatra.
Very good. Very good. I'm so happy. Okay. So the Amarnath Yatra happens in this month, and something very different happens there. It is the Shivlinga of snow is formed. You know, Shivlinga of snow is formed in a cave called Amarnath. Amarnath cave or Amarnath Gufa. Okay. And in the when the Shravana month is
Auntie, ice, not snow.
Yes, beta?
Ice, not snow.
That is fine. That I do not know.
Okay, that's fine, beta. It's okay.
The story.
Okay. Now, this Shivlinga of ice is formed in this cave. Okay, in the month of Shravana, and Purnima is the last day of the month. On that, it's the full darshana, and we see the big Shivlinga over there. Okay, now the story is, what is this Amarnath? Amarnath cave. Why it is called Amarnath cave? It's said one long back, Parvati Mata, she asked Shiva that, oh my Lord, I have taken so many births on the earth. Okay, I have taken birth, I have died, and but you have not taken any birth and you have never died also. Why is it so? How can you be immortal? Immortal means one who will never die. And she asked Shiva that, how is it possible that I have to take birth, I have to die, and you never die? Then Shiva says that it is due to the Amar Katha. I know the secret of Amar Katha, and that's why I am immortal. Now the Parvati is thinking, I need to listen this story. This is something very special. Huh? And she started asking Shiva, Shiva, please, oh my Lord, please tell me the story. I want to listen the story of Amar Katha. But many times Shiva told her that, okay, we'll tell you sometime, not this time. But one day Shiva was in a very good mood. Okay. And Parvati came to know that Shiva is very happy, and let me go and ask for the story. So she requested Shiva, please, my God, you are so happy today. I want to ask something. Will you give me? And Shiva said, yes, tell me, my dear Parvati, whatever you want. And she asked, I want to listen the story that only you know. Shiva said, oh no, why you want to listen the story? You know everything. But Parvati was very adamant. No, I want to listen a story. Please tell me the Amar Katha. Then Shiva, okay, fine. He was in very happy mood. Okay, dear Parvati, I will tell you the story. But this is a very unique story. This is an Amar Katha. Nobody else should listen to the story. It is impossible to tell that on the Himalaya, because in Himalaya many people live, the Bhaktas of Shiva, Nandi, Ganesha, so many people live on the Kailash along with the Shiva and Parvati. Now Shiva said that, okay, I need to find out a place where I can tell you the story. So Shiva started from Kailash along with his family and searched for the place. While coming to the place, he reached to the Pahalgam. Okay, Pahalgam is a place in Kashmir. And he said Nandi is his Vahana, right? He rides on the Nandi. And he said his Nandi, that Nandi, you have to stay here in Pahalgam, and you have to watch that nobody should be able to go from this place, because I am going to narrate a story to Parvati, and it is very special story. Okay, so Nandi stayed in Pahalgam. Then he moved further, and Shiva is having a Chandrama, right? We see Chandra on the jata of Shiva. Then he leaves his Chandra at the place that is called Chandanwadi. Okay. Then he moves further. Then he has a Nag on his neck. Now he says, Shishnag, my dear Shishnag, you need to stay here because I am going to leave you here for some time. And he keeps him in the lake called Shishnag. Okay. Nag, spring. It's not a lake, it's a spring. Spring called Shishnag. Then he moves further. Then he says, Ganesha, Ganesha, now you are safe at this place and you have to stay here and I have to move further. He keeps Ganesha at the place called Ganesha Hill is the place. Ganesha stays there. Then he moves further and leaves all his, he is the master of Panchbhutas. Panchbhutas means these elements, 5 elements. So he leaves the 5 elements also at a place, and that is called Panchtarmi. Okay. Then he moves further and enters into the cave. Okay. And then he keeps his asana, the deer skin asana, and sits on it and keeps the fire around the cave so that nobody can enter. And starts his story, and he gets so much involved in saying this story to Mata Parvati. And this story is called Amar Katha, and in that he said the secrets of this creation also, creation of the universe. Okay, this was the story that he narrated to Parvati Mata. And when he finished, he was so much enjoying the story, saying the story. And when he finished, he got up. And he saw that there were 2 pigeons also listening the same story. Shiva got up. What is this? Where from these pigeons came? I have left each and everything on the way. Where from these pigeons came? So it is said that there were the eggs below his asana. He had kept the asana over there in the cave, and in the asana somehow this egg had left there because it was not living that time, and then it hatched and it became a pigeon, and that pigeon also became Amar. Whenever we go Amarnath Yatra, people look for the pigeon over there and they feel they are the symbols of Mata Parvati and Shiva. They were the twins. So 2 we will see for when we go for the Amarnath Yatra, and this way the story finishes. Right? You all are sleeping or awake? You are enjoying? What is happening?
Sometimes.
This was the story of Amarnath cave, and the people from all over the country come to see that miracle, how the ice linga is formed in the cave. Okay, so with this we will finish the story. Did you like the story?
Yes.
Yes. Very good.
We have now session of Shanti Mantra, and after that there will be a small session. Those people who did not introduce themselves, they will introduce, and then we will have a small chat with everybody. Whosoever has joined this program, please put your in chat box your number and name of your kid, so and where from you join, so that we will make this as a recording for ourselves. So I am going to after this Shanti Mantra, you do that, so that we are all concentrated on our Shanti Mantra. So Shanti Mantra, if you see this slide, so here Shanti Mantra, from left side it starts and goes right, and at the end there are 3 steps. One is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, second is the immortal story which you Sanju ji told today, and end is with the Shanti mantra. So one time we will hear it, and you also have to learn it. I will send you the Shanti mantra and the beginning of Ganesh mantra Prarthana. So let's hear it and keep your mics mute. You can chant it if you keep your mics mute. So I am starting the Shanti mantra. धन्यवाद. Slide. You want to speak?
No.
So we are done with our normal program, and we have recorded this session. And those who have not attended, we will share it in after some time. And who have not introduced himself, please go ahead and introduce. Rushil and Tanesh, or anybody who has missed. Prerna ji. Very good. Be near to your mic.
Rozan Ahmedabad.
Very good. Very good.
Namaskar Maharaj. Namaskar.
Very good. Anyone who has not introduced? Okay, we will stop the recording and we will have a small discussion. So Induji, please stop the recording of this session. Next Sunday 10 a.m. again we will meet it.